If you're wondering how can you refund on the Pandabuy app, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure I have the game updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. And after that, you can finally go ahead and open the app. So let's go ahead and open the app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account on Pandabuy. Then tap right here on account in the bottom right corner. Then from this screen, you need to wait for it to fully load up. It might take a while. Then tap on orders right here. So once you tap there, it will take you to your orders screen in which you find all of your orders. I haven't made none already, but I can tell you what to do to get the refund. All you need to do is to choose the order that you want to get a refund of, then tap on cancel order, just like that. Once you do that, they will ask you to give them a reason why you canceled the order, then confirm, and after a while, you'll get your money back. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.